All right, so you can tell us your first name and what school you are with and what brought you to the workshop to begin with.
My name is Ed Hicks from Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College. I'm one of the CTE automotive instructors. We're coming up with a new course that has an emphasis on EVs. So I'm out here to get some knowledge, some training, and some presentation procedures and techniques that I can use with my students when we do get there later on in their learning process, so to speak.
Wonderful. So what was the most challenging part of this week for you?
I didn't really feel like it was really challenging, but I felt like overwhelmed by the amount of information, and I have had previous EV training over the years, but nothing as in-depth as what I've witnessed this past week.
What's the most important thing you've learned that you can take back and instill in your students?
The most important thing for me is the process of instruction on this particular training aid.
Wonderful. So what was your favorite overall part? Was it turning on the vehicle? Was it driving it? Was it learning something you never thought you would learn?
I think it was the first time to drive it. You know, all of the work, the knowledge that has been given to us by Switch, we actually saw it in process and progress.
And so would you recommend this to other CTE or STEM schools or instructors to come take this course to learn?
There's not a word to describe that. It's highly recommended by me, but I have found out for an EV program, which they're getting more prevalent every day, they have to witness this. They have to, because things that I have forgotten over the years has been refreshed now. As far as there was one of the guys mentioned the other day, it's about the process. If we can handle the process and teach the process, that's what we need to do.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. So great to have you this week.
Man, I'm telling you, you guys were great, man.